Love it. Great place. Great. Love it. Great hotel for the money, comparable to higher-end hotels in the area for a much lower rate. Friendly staff, clean and good location. Great stay. Would recommend for cleanliness, quiet, location, and friendly staff. Great locations, quiet and clean. Great location, very quiet, and clean. Staff are helpful and friendly. These other negative reviews must be due to disgruntled patrons. Rooms are updated, could do a little more in some areas, but overall very nice compared to the other hotels in the areas at similar prices. I've stayed at them all. Great value, clean, quiet and friendly staff, will come back. Like home, everything was perfect, clean, friendly, good price, large rooms. You guys won't regret it. I can't explain enough how convenient this place is. I love this place, so convenient, it's really clean. So at ease. No one here really bothers you. They always clean too. Nice room for a decent price, so affordable, and it's next to everything. I love this place. I never have any problem here for anything. Exceptional friendly staff. Exceptional nice size rooms, bed comfortable. Exceptional, the workers are professional, the place is always clean. Exceptional, great, had a peaceful stay. Exceptional, wonderful workers. Exceptional. Very understanding staff, yet very professional at the same time. Highly recommend for anyone experiencing hard times and homelessness. I highly recommend this hotel. The price is great and it's clean. Exceptional heart.